Every morning, millions of people wake up and put on a hearing aid produced by Demant. Our hearing aids enable people all over the world to live an active and engaged life. Let's take a few steps back and see how our life-changing hearing aids are created. Many years of research and development go into our hearing aids. The brain of the hearing aid, the chipset, is developed by our chip designers and produced by external suppliers. The chipset is custom-made for use in a small, discrete hearing aid, where advanced sound processing and low power consumption are key elements. At our in-house factories, we mount the chipset with different components on a printed circuit board, creating an amplifier. The finished amplifier undergoes extensive testing. Later, microphones are soldered onto the amplifier. All of this is done with tremendous precision as we work with extremely small components. Parallel to this, the outer shell and smaller plastic parts for the hearing aids are produced. The amplifier and shell are assembled, and the hearing aid is configured for the specific future use. Then it is passed on for audiological testing. Finally, the hearing aids are laser marked with branding and regulatory information such as serial numbers. This is the standard production of a hearing aid sitting behind the ear, but the chipset can also be used to create an in-the-ear hearing aid. Here the chipset is mounted on a very small amplifier and connected to a faceplate. Based on impressions of the ear canal, the faceplate is then used to manufacture a custom hearing aid designed for the individual user. From our distribution centre, they are distributed to our customers and users across the world. In all steps of production, we perform quality tests and verification to make sure that our products live up to the highest standards. We create reliable and safe products, and our users will experience a product that will last for many years. Across our manufacturing sites, we optimize our efforts and processes to work more and more sustainably. We reduce the use of plastic, and by detailed forecasting, we minimize material loss. In addition, we work closely together with our suppliers to minimize our indirect emissions. Our multi-site setup enables us to move volume between production sites to ensure that we can always manufacture and repair hearing aids globally. This way, we make sure that our life-changing products reach the ears of millions of users worldwide.